Hi and welcome to Makeup and Motivation. My name is Lillian, and as you saw, I got the Louise box. This is not the subscription box. These are two palettes that I bought, but can we look at the box? How freaking cute is this? It has butterflies on it. Can you guys see it? It's absolutely gorgeous. All of us are a little fragile, babe. Ah! This is so freaking cute. The box alone is so freaking adorable. Now, I have never ordered from Louise, so this is my first time. And I've never tried any of her makeups, but I absolutely love her story. I just love how she never quit and created her company Louise. So I'm just super excited. So, and I'm looking extremely forward to trying her palettes. So the first palette that I got was Money. Let me see. Money Shop. Oh my God, this packaging is so adorable. I can't stand it. So it says here, less counting change, more counting blessings. Isn't that adorable? Her packaging is just everything. Can I just say? So this is the palette. Ah! This is the palette. It is absolutely so cute. Everything inside moves around. Let me see. Can you guys see it? So it is very adorable. Now let's open it. Look at the details alone. It's just beautiful. I just absolutely love it. The packaging is everything. Ah! Look at this mirror. You guys are going to see the ring light and everything else, but it's okay because I want you to see the quality of the mirror. It's so freaking nice. This is a nice, elegant mirror where you can see everything. The packaging is just everything. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just in love with it. So look at all the colors. Oh my God. Each little eyeshadow has its own little stamp and its own little name on it. And they're so freaking cute. Each little eyeshadow palette has like its own little name. I wish, you know, I should have put my little thing to see. I have one at work. The little bottom opens up and it's also more beautiful colors. Oh, the plastic is coming off. Let me see if I could open this. Give me 1 second. I think the plastic got stuck in there. So it slides right off, so it makes it a lot easier to use. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. The colors are just absolutely stunning. I wish I could see the names of it. And they're nice and big. I just can't see. But the names go. This is just the most adorable palette I've ever seen. I love greens. It slides right back in. So I can't wait to use this palette. So that is the first palette, and I will be receiving every month a subscription box. Now with her subscription box, I believe it's $31. I'll make sure to link that down below. And the only thing is, since it does come from England, it takes a month for you to get it. So my March subscription box will come in April. So anyway, this is the second eyeshadow palette, and this one is called Beauty in the Breakup. So I got this one because I had a breakup with my boyfriend, so I'm like, oh, let me get this palette. I like the name of it, so I got this one. And it's cute. It has like little band-aids for the little broken heart. This is so freaking cute. I just love, I did it backwards. Her packaging is just everything. This one has a little heart. So all her palettes are different. They're uniquely made. They're just gorgeous. So this one opens up again. The mirror, can I just say, there's a lot of high quality eyeshadows that I've bought, and this mirror is just everything. So this is the Breakup palette. Ooh. And these are the colors that come in the palette. And these do also have little stamps and names on it. So there's one that has a little wavy hand and it says, Bye Felicia. Bye Felicia. Oh my God, morals. See you never with a peace sign. Peace. Let me see if I can point it out. This is so cute. It has, I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's a little peace sign, and it's the name on the bottom is See You Never. So this is really, really cute. I was not expecting every single shadow to be stamped with its unique name. The shadows are just unbelievable. Look at this. Ooh, that is beautiful. Let's swatch it. Let me swatch it here. I hope you guys, ooh, that is soft and buttery. I should have just, you know what, I'm going to swatch some of the greens as well. These look like a lot of mattes. So this is, ooh, that looks really pretty. Let's swatch this one over here. They're very pigmented and creamy. So I'm really surprised. It's so extra quiet in here, or is it me? I think because you know when you work and it's kind of like you're talking all day, like I got home and it's so quiet. It's so quiet, it's a little eerie. Anyway, let's swatch the green ones and see how this one looks. Ah! They're so freaking cute. Let me open this up. These greens are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to sit this down because I really want to swatch these. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. I hope you guys could see this because this is a little darker. Let's swatch it here. Oh yeah. They're very pretty and pigmented. Let's swatch this color. Ooh. Oh, I don't know. I might have to wear green tomorrow for work. Maybe wear all black and green. These are absolutely gorgeous. I give this a plus. I don't know how the formula is. I have never tried Plouise. Like I said, I fell in love with her. I think I watched one of her videos and she was showing one of the schools she created and everything was pink, and then I looked into it and I read her story and I was just inspired and I ordered something from her line, and I'm hoping that I love her products, and I'm so looking forward to see what the March box comes. So this was the unboxing for Plouise. This is just a little taste of what April's gonna come, because her beauty bags I will receive next month, so I am so looking forward to unboxing that one. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great a great evening, a great morning, a great day. I just wanted to do this video really quick before I get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. But you guys have a great night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.